Alrighty, well, I'm going to do a little teaching here for a moment. Alright, what we have here is bedrock that has not been cleaned yet. Right? Now you can see all the material, the light stuff that's been blown in on top. Right? And what I'm doing is I'm cleaning this bedrock off until it looks like this. Nary a bit of material anywhere. As you can see, where that pile of material was is now gone and cleaned up completely. Alright? So, the only things that I have left, number one, I will clean the rest of this bedrock down here, but while I was cleaning, I came across these. Alright? And what these are, even though it's really crummy lighting right now, there's two holes in the bedrock. Alright? And I cleaned them down with a teaspoon as far as I can get down in there. And now I'm going to fill them with water and suck them out because I brought along a quart of water. Lucerne fresh vanilla, French vanilla coffee creamer, but hey, it makes a nice portable canteen, shall we say. Alright, over there you can see I put just a little bit of material from just right off the bedrock into a pan, and I'm going to run a quick test on it and see. So that'll cost me a little more of that water. And it's while I'm working here, alright, I'll show you basically what I'm using to clean the bedrock off. Just a couple of brushes from the dollar store, right, and a nice teaspoon. And over here we have a serving spoon, a plastic scoop, and a couple of other little things that I built. Right. My next point of investigation is going to be right to the left of that bucket. All right. You can see the water comes down right through here, and this is kind of a choke point for the water. Right. When it gets past this chunk of bedrock, right, there's a vortex formed, and I'm sure that some gold was probably deposited right in there. So I'm going to fill a bucket with that material, and we're going to take all this stuff back to the house, run it through the recirculator. All right. There's, so much bedrock, so little time. What can we say? I'm having a good time here. So I'll get back to you if I find something else fascinating and interesting, and we'll go from there.